The Steel Mace Uppercut, probably one of my favourite Steel Mace exercises. To perform one, you want an inward thumb grip and you want as much distance between your hands as you can. That being said, shorter people, you probably want to bring your opposite hand in slightly. You'll find out what's comfortable for you. You're going to take an L stance position, like I said, as big a grip as you can, inward thumb. Mace head behind you in a paddle position, and we'll go through it slowly. We bring the mace out in front, so almost like a reverse shield. Take your opposite hand over your opposite shoulder, and then as you punch up, twist the chest around so that your forward arm, your lead arm, is vertical like a proper uppercut. Let's speed that up. We go straight shoulder and punch, twist the chest, twist the torso. So I'll do that from this angle for you. My chest is currently facing away from you. We straight shoulder punch, and now my chest is facing towards you. And this gets a load of core engagement, works the bicep, works the forearm, and for some extra engagement, try and crush the bar like an accordion, or you crush it like a soft drinks can. So we crush the bar and then pull and twist and make sure that opposite elbow goes up nice and high over the ear and crush the bar for absolute maximum activation of nearly every muscle group in your body.